With this AI tool, you can create a video in minutes with just a single line of command. In this video, I will demonstrate how to do it and show you the results. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you. Part 1. Register. Open Elai.io and click Try Elai for free to register. Fill the form and confirm your email to get started. Part 2. Generate video. Step 1. Click Using GPT3 and enter your prompt. In this video, I asked GPT-3 to create a video about AI in the next 20 years. Step 2. Click Select Template and choose your template. And click Create Video to start generating your video. Part 3. Fine-tune. After your video created, check your video layout and content. You can edit and change if needed. Step 1. Select the best voice actor for your video. Click Apply to All to apply audio to all video. Step 2. You can improve your video by change its background with stock image or video provided by the website. Use search bar to search desired video. Select Video and click Add button to add this video to our project. Click Apply as background to use this video as background. Step 3. Edit title and text if needed. You can also add animation to it. Step 4. Edit video script if needed. Step 5. You can add music to from music library. Step 6. You can change video aspect ratio and add hard sub. Part 4. Render and download. If everything is good, click Render button to start rendering process. You will get your video link in your email. It needs several minutes to get done. Check your email and download the video. Here is the result video from this tutorial. The introduction of artificial intelligence in the next 20 years is a topic of increasing interest for both individuals and businesses. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, live, and interact with one another. So it is no surprise that people around the world are making predictions about the types of advanced technologies we may have in the near future. In this YouTube video, we take a look at what experts say is likely to be seen in the coming decades when it comes to AI. One of the most popular predictions for the future of AI is the introduction of personal assistants. These digital assistants will be able to learn about their users, understand natural language, and provide services such as scheduling and recommendations. Digital assistants will be able to anticipate a user's needs, helping them to stay organized and productive. They will become an invaluable tool for anyone who desires a more efficient and connected lifestyle. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Your support means a lot and helps me continue to create valuable content. I look